suggestions. I never had something to cool off my lunch inside. In fact, I even remember drinking warm milk with my food.
Totally. Okay, lighting. Wait. If there's gonna be a romantic kiss, wait, the dog has to be in the background.
You have no idea how real that is. It's not even funny, it's just real.
So my whole life, I dreamed of being on the Tonight Show with Johnny Carson, being interviewed by him. But instead, God gave me a bigger dream. Jeff freaking Civilico and JJ. Are you kidding me? This was awesome. Thank you.
Great to have
for
you.
having me. Oh,
Thanks for joining us.
Dude.
Sharing your
I
passion.
love you, bro.
Love you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can do. So what's happened here? So let's show everybody what happened here. So I mean, the lesson here is life's about adversity, don't you think?
Yeah.
Picking up the
Overcoming
pieces.
obstacles.
Picking up the pieces of your mug, figuratively and literally.
So, so this was the mug before, I don't know who moved the chair, who moved my cheese.
Who moved my cheese?
But this was the mug I was going to give to JJ. Do you have glue?
Yes, it's super
But the
good.
dream is still
This
alive.
Is a life,
The dream
a life
is still
lesson.
alive.
Still
It's
alive.
a metaphor for life.
And life
They
lessons.
can throw it away, but she can still have her dream.
Really
You know what?
stretching it.
Pick up the pieces and make your own vessel.
There you go.
There you go.
Awesome.
You can use
The
that.
cup half empty or half full?
That's first.
Yeah, 17
It says, yeah, well, it was yours. I'll give it to you.